Alrighty guys, we're here at Burlington Garden here in Burlington, Vermont. Look at, we have another Otis elevator. Except this one goes down to the pool. Oh, I got another one of these dreadful Gen2s kind of things.
Do you need help, sir?
I got it, thank you. Boing. There we go. It's a pretty nice cow. Here. This one actually goes 100 feet per minute. Very weird. But this is of a spec for an Otis G. Here a G. Weird. Mobby. Look at that. It's a Gen2. And it's 2 of them around. It's getting G. Here is G. I have no idea what they want. Is this the main floor? Bikes. Door. Flight of stairs. 6 flight of stairs. Let's ring that chime again. Let's go up this 6 flight of stairs to the pool level. That's literally like 5 seconds to get from ground to the pool. And still, there's the pool. Very weird. Also, you gotta take note of where this elevator is. This is in the older part of the building, where they've actually fitted this thing. Takes 5 seconds. Just literally 5 seconds. I have to go to the lobby. See? Here we are at the lobby. Oh. That is the elevator. Takes you down to the pool. Very weird place. But before I end the video, there's the lantern there. It's actually pretty nice. One of the nicest Gen2s I've been on. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.